Okay, so more fun projects for me. We got this light that went out. I thought it was my switch for my home automation, so I pulled that out real quickly and just put that up because I was just gonna try to half butt it right now, but I'll put a new switch in later. But I think that the ballast is bad, so we're gonna go ahead and change that out, and I'll show you how to do that real quick, and I'll do another video on how to test the ballast. Just in case. So let me go ahead and do this. I'm just going to go ahead and start by pulling out the light bulbs, and I'll be right back. I'm going to do it slow. I'll do a lot of this off camera. That's not important, like club bulbs, because I have a torn rotor cuff, and I may be saying things up there that are inappropriate for sailors. Alright. Okay, you see we went ahead and disconnected that and capped off the wire nuts just for extra safety, but make sure the power is always off. Test it with a voltage sensor or voltage detector, but you should turn it off at the house, not just a switch, which I just did switch, but that's not the right way. You need to be for sure when there's electricity. Now, so you over here got probably 4 screws, no, 2 screws. Now we'll just pinch this to release it once I get it done. So then I'll expose the ballast. Okay, so now the ballast is exposed, and you'll see that it just has a 4 on one side, and it'll run down 2 wires on that side. And these little white things, zoom in there. I've always called them tombstones. I think that's what they're supposed to be called. We're going to go ahead and replace the wire inside here from the ballast. Some people could just clip it and put that on, but that's just another point of failure. So I'm going to actually replace the wires, and these generally they'll twist and pull out like push connectors or stab connectors in the back of outlets. And I'll just push the new ones in, and when I get ready to do that, I'll show you. Alright. Alright, these are the tombstones. They just push in the back, and this is yellows. So there's 2 of these are on one side, and the other one's like red and blue. So yeah, each line does about 2 lamps, but they just pushed out the back. You squeeze these little tabs together, and they just come out. In this case, where is it up here? Just push it out just like that, and you had to open up a little retaining clips there, which you just smash in. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, let me show you how to get these tombstones off. You just twist them. See if I can get one hand. I probably cannot. Alright, hold on. Alright, I already got it off, but just like that, they just twist out. There's little push connectors in there. You can see. So that's all there is to it. I'm going to go pull these off, and I'll get the other one out, and I'll show you how to test this. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to attach it to the negative of the voltmeter to the light wire. For the neutral. Check for conductivity. You got the ohm meter set to no ohms, which you could go up to like 2,000, I guess. And we're just going to touch the wires here. And we're going to look for it to jump up and show like an open short, or a, I mean, it should have like an open loop or OL or infinite ohms. Blue one here. Blue's good, that blue is good. And we'll check this one. Okay, here's the red one. Good. The other blue. The other blue again, in case you made a mistake, and this one should go bad. Nope. So it looks like this is good. Interesting, right? Yeah, look at that. That's good. Probably good. Now, when I was pulling out the tombstones, they were awful loose, so it could have just been a loose tombstones up there that worked out through thermal expansion and contraction over the years. Yeah, this is good, but I'm still not going to use this, so I got the new one. I'll test that and put it back up, and I'll put that one up and see how it goes. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, I've left all the extra wire on there. I'm just going to tuck it up. I got to put the connection there in the little box up there. because you want everything inside there. And that's basically it. You just push those tombstones on, and can't go any farther. And that's basically it. And tuck all your wires away, and put your shields on. And hopefully, when I power it up, when I get the bulbs on, hopefully it'll come on. Alright. Okay, well, they're on. Even though that transformer tested good, I suspect one of the tombstones are loose, even though I checked them twice. But the lights are on, and it's not all explodey. So, that's good. I feel dizzy now, and that was really, really hard to work above my shoulders, or above my head with the rotor cuff. So, I'll get the cover back on, and that's the end of this video. So, you guys have a good one. NCP out. Alright, all done. There's some light leakage around the sides because there's a piece of cardboard I tore. That's my bad. Sorry. I know the dogs are disappointed in my failure. But there it is. All done, all back, all fixed. And I'll do a video on checking the transformer even though it checked out good. But still. Alright. This is NCP. You guys have a great day.